Everybody, Chris here. So in this video I'm going to show you how to install a Wetzel nickel gross perimeter bolt. And so far what we got here is the hole locations is marked through the plate holes. So now the next steps. Alright, so first I clean the holes out with a 3/8 drill bit. It's a long drill bit. I put a dowel in a hole, like so. And I use this plug cutter, 1/2 inch plug cutter, and I have an extension made for it. And I aim for about half the thickness of a soundboard. Next I use a long 1/2 inch drill bit. I've got it marked to the depth, and the depth is roughly about the length of that wide part on the bolt. Next I want to clean out the threads, or put in some good threads that match the bolts. So I have a bolt that I converted to a thread cutter, and you simply do that with a grinding wheel and put a slot on each side, and then that turns that into a cutter. So I clean out the hole with that first. Next I check them by hand, because you don't want them too tight when you're adjusting through the plate hole. Alright, and that's how you install Wetzel nickel gross bolts. Thanks for watching. Appreciate you.